Whatever you are, always be a good one. The best way to predict future is creating it. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. Government of people, by people, for people endures forever. No man has memory good enough for lying. The ballot is far stronger than the bullet. Denying freedom to others means denying it yourself. I will prepare, my chance will surely come. Give me 6 hours to sharpen my axe. Do today what you shouldn't delay till tomorrow. I always do my best in every situation. Evading today's responsibilities worsens tomorrow's burdens inevitably. Future's best thing is arriving one day daily. Character resembles a tree, reputation its shadow always. Failure matters less than accepting failure as fate. Friendship remains the better part of one's life. I walk slowly, but never turn back. Yesterday's beliefs can't solve today's greater problems. See roses with thorns or thorns with roses. Truth matters more than simply winning any argument. Helping another's pain helps forget your own. Stand firm only after finding the right place. Future's greatest art is living with little. A house divided within itself shall eventually collapse. Books contain everything I desire to learn. Happiness depends on what mindset we adopt. Recognition matters less than being worthy of it. Every person holds responsibility for their own happiness. Help others only when they can't themselves. Disliking someone means you should know them better. If capable, let a person freely succeed. Promises only matter when transformed into actions. Never let discouragement consume your determined soul. Self-worth prevents misery from taking over completely. Faith in righteousness gives strength, not force. No man governs another without mutual consent. Silence in injustice is the coward's choice. Tie a knot and hang on firmly. If slavery isn't wrong, then nothing is. Public sentiment either strengthens or destroys governance entirely. Criticism requires a willingness to sincerely help others. Freedom remains Earth's greatest and final hope. Reading gives access to humankind's collected wisdom. Life's value isn't in years, but experiences. Seeing only flaws in others guarantees disappointment. Labor always precedes and surpasses capital in importance. Tact means describing people as they perceive themselves. Avoiding fame brings inner peace and true happiness. Turning enemies into friends eliminates them forever. Winning hearts first makes persuasion effortless and lasting. Success comes from effort, not just wishful thinking. Honesty builds trust, which strengthens lasting relationships. A leader serves before expecting to be served. Fear fades when courage takes its rightful place. Education empowers minds and shapes the future. True wisdom grows from experience, not mere knowledge. Time well spent creates a meaningful life journey. Small actions lead to great and lasting change. A clear conscience is life's greatest silent reward. Integrity remains valuable even when unnoticed by others. Growth happens outside comfort, not within it. Kindness costs nothing, but is worth everything. Strength comes from persistence, not immediate success. Hope lights the darkest paths with courage. Patience and effort make impossible dreams possible. Better to fail honestly than succeed dishonestly. Justice must serve all, not just the powerful. An open mind welcomes wisdom and understanding. Respect others, even when they disagree with you. Hardships prepare ordinary people for extraordinary achievements. Truth has a way of revealing itself always. Adversity tests character and builds resilience within. Peace begins with understanding, not with arguments. Success is built on discipline and daily habits. Nothing truly great is ever achieved effortlessly. A grateful heart finds joy in simple things. Actions reveal character more than words ever do. Trust takes years to build, but seconds to break. Your attitude determines the direction of your life.